Hey you, welcome back. Today we are doing another unboxing of undelivered mail. I love these. I love the mystery. I love the surprise. And they're so much fun. All right, so let's see what we get this time. All right, today we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packages. Da, 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 da. Which one should I start with? Which one? All right, so I'm gonna start with this one. Okay, this one feels like a teddy bear, some type of plush. And it was going to, can't tell you because it's completely blacked out. Am I right? Am I right? Is it a teddy bear? Is it a doll? It is some type of plush. A tulip plant plush, toy, succulent plant plush, stuffed toy, potted flower, decoration, toy, create a gift for room, bookshelf, decor. Actually kind of cute. It is cute. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. I like it. Yeah, it is so adorable. Aw. All right, guys. Well, not a bad start. All right, so this one, it feels like something. It's some type of machine or something. I don't know, like a fan. Yeah, and the label is also blacked out, so I can't tell where it's coming from. But where was it supposed to go? So let's see what it is. It's metal, definitely metal. Okay. Oh, it's like a wall shelf or something. It's cute. It's heart-shaped, and I think it's red. Yeah, this is some type of J biscoop. Look at that. This is really cute. Yeah, it's definitely heart-shaped hanger. All right. This is actually really nice. Yeah. You can use it to hang your purses, hang them on there. I don't know. What else would you use them for? Some belts. It's really cute. It's decorative. All right, there goes that. All right, let's see. We can open up some of these small ones. And it was, okay, the label is burned out. Can't tell where it was going. Oh, this is a Ford sticky, 3M sticky. Yeah, it's metal. All right, that's interesting. See what this one is. This one was going to Riverside. All right, Riverside, what did you order? That is now here with me. It looks to be pants. Fashion Sexy Lounge. That is so funny. No, I can't open it. Okay, there we go. These are pants, skirt, pants. Very see-through. Oh my God. Aini Fashion Sexy Lounge. Size small. White, very see-through. Anybody need some cargo pants with some studs? Not the best quality, guys. I can tell you that much. Not the best quality. This next package is also, the label's also completely blacked out. So again, I don't know where its intended destination was. This is a wireless quartzy door light. Ooh. Okay, you see that? And it's supposed to be like at the door. So I guess you replace right there. That's pretty interesting. This feels like a bottle of some sort. There's 3 things in here. And it was going to Peoria. Peoria, I have your package. Let's see what Peoria ordered. Oh, it's one of those spray bottles. Okay. Here we have a milk frother, the handheld one. And this looks to be a wallet, right? Let's see. Yeah, it's a wallet. It's one of those with the clips. It's a man's wallet. You put all your credit cards there. Your money goes in here. Not bad. Not bad at all. Brand new. All right, pretty cool, pretty cool. And last, so far, it's been okay. Nothing too exciting. Let's hope this one is better. This one was supposed to go to New Jersey. What did you order, New Jersey? It looks like clothes. Item description. Gammy Bass Woman's Waterproof Rain Jacket with hood, lightweight, long sleeve, windbreaker, zip up, drawstring raincoat with pockets. It's 1 piece. And it appears to be an Amazon return of some sort. All right, well, there you go. A rain jacket, size 5 extra large. That does not look like a size 5 extra large. It's not bad. I mean, for somebody who just wants a little bit of rain coverage. All right, there you go, guys. That's a wrap. That's everything that we got in these undelivered mail packages. Pretty fun. I love these. Had fun. Did you have fun? Please let me know in the comments below. All right, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Bye.